What's up, luxury car enthusiasts? Today we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class, and in that pristine white finish, it's nothing short of automotive artwork. The 2025 GLE stands out with its commanding presence. Mercedes has evolved their design language, making this SUV look even more sophisticated than its predecessor. That white exterior perfectly highlights every sculptured line and curve. Up front, the signature Mercedes grille has been reimagined. The illuminated three-pointed star sits proudly against a new diamond pattern grille design. Those digital light LED headlamps aren't just gorgeous. They project up to 2.6 million pixels per headlight, creating adaptive light patterns that enhance safety. Moving to the side, the GLE's profile reveals its athletic stance. New 21-inch multi-spoke wheels come standard, and those flush door handles extend automatically as you approach, a small detail that adds to the cutting-edge feel. Mercedes has obsessed over aerodynamics. See those subtle air curtains behind the wheels? They're not just for show. Combined with the smooth underbody panels, they help achieve an impressive drag coefficient of just 0.26. The rear end showcases Mercedes' attention to detail. These slim LED taillights feature an animated lighting sequence when you lock or unlock the vehicle. The power tailgate now includes hands-free gesture control with customizable opening heights. Under the hood, the 2025 GLE doesn't disappoint. The base GLE 350 now packs a robust mild hybrid system producing 375 horsepower. The GLE 53 AMG pushes that to an impressive 450 horses. Both variants feature Mercedes' latest 9-speed automatic transmission. The latest MBUX system powers everything from the adaptive suspension to the new automated parking features. The GLE can now park itself even in tight spaces while you watch from outside using your smartphone. Safety gets a major upgrade with the new Mercedes Shield system. It includes predictive crash protection, enhanced blind spot monitoring, and a new cross-traffic alert system that can detect objects up to 500 feet away. The air body control suspension has been refined for 2025, offering an even smoother ride while maintaining precise handling. In comfort mode, it glides over imperfections like they don't exist. Switch to sport, and this luxury SUV transforms into a capable performer. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of what's possible when engineering meets artistry. With its blend of style, technology, and performance, it continues to set the benchmark in its class. That's your look at the exterior of the 2025 GLE. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more luxury car content. See you in the next one.